Hello everyone, welcome to Marky Big Smoke. Thanks for joining me. I've come outside on a lovely rainy day to show you a few of the ways that I collect rainwater and save it for watering the garden. I've got guttering coming down here between the grapevines off my man cave roof. I've got it split into two downpipes, one going down there, that goes down and feeds the grapevine. The other half of the roof, this side, comes down here and feeds the little rooftop living roof where I've got my log store. Got my own bit of guttering in here, comes along the front of the log store, and I've got a chain down there. I did have this plant catching the rainwater. There's too much rainwater coming off the living roof at the moment, so when that happens I get a bucket out here. This is my compost bucket you saw me use in the pesto sauce video. This is filling up with water. Couple of hours rain, one bin full of rainwater which I can reuse, all off the living roof, and the logs are perfectly dry, not one drop of water in there. A water butt collection here, that's quite a big 100 litres, I think, no, 200 litres that one is. We've got some greenhouse guttering here. I'd like to do a water butt, but at the moment it feeds this rosemary bush. So that's my shed downpipe, there's a water butt there. Where my compost heap is, coming off the other side of the outhouse, there's another 200 litre water butt that gets full up there. That's what I use to water all the vegetables that I've got growing out the back. And I've got two big water butts out the front, coming off the roof house. One 200 litre water butt there. This is to water the front garden. And I've got another 200 litre water butt there. Also, got a bit of a situation here with the rainwater coming off the roof. The guttering I've got on my man cave is a bit too small, and I'm waiting for the COVID-19 situation to improve before I go out and get some larger guttering. But in the meantime, I'm getting the overflow that's coming off the man cave roof to fill up this dustbin full of water. There you go. Couple of hours rain, half a dustbin full of rainwater. Well, those are just a few of the ways that I'm collecting my rainwater around my house and garden. Let me know how you're collecting your rainwater in the comments down below, down there. Give me a thumbs up, add a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you again soon on Marky Big Smoke. Thanks folks, bye.